Hi there, welcome to our channel. The ROG Phone 5 has been spotted again on TENAA. Well, this time it's a different ROG 5 than what was listed earlier. This has a model code I005DB, while the unit seen in the previous leaks was the I005DA. Now the major difference between these two models is the rear design, and looks like only one will make it to the global market. Taking a closer look at the back of the newly spotted ROG 5 with model code I005DB, it's clear that it's the previously leaked ROG phone which has a smaller secondary display on its back. And if you are a subscriber of our channel, then you might have already seen the video. Also, it's widely believed that this phone will make it to the global market. The ROG 5 with I005DA seems to be China exclusive as it has a Tencent logo. And in case you have missed it, the Chinese conglomerate of games is partnering with the Taiwanese maker for a special ROG Phone 5 with focus and optimization for Tencent Games. And instead of a small display on the middle, looks like it has a complete bottom half covered with dotted patterns which works as a dot matrix display. The ASUS ROG logo is displayed on the back, but it's likely going to be customizable. So now that that's clear, let's take a look at the specifications. Here we believe both the ROG phones will feature similar specs as we haven't come across any different report. It will pack a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel with 144Hz refresh rate. The gaming phone will come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 chipset with up to 16 GB of RAM. The device will draw its power from a 6000 mAh battery with 65W charging rate. It will use two 3000 mAh battery instead of a single large battery like the ROG Phone 3 did, as this configuration should allow for faster charging speeds because the two batteries can fill up simultaneously from the same power input. About the cameras, it will have triple camera setup with a 64 megapixel main lens. For reference, ROG 3 also has 64 megapixel lens, though we would hope that ASUS would upgrade the ROG 5's camera in some regard. As for the launch, we currently don't have much to go on in regarding when the next ROG phone will come out, but the fact that we are seeing posters for the ROG phone suggests that the upcoming version might arrive earlier than usual. More on this will be covered in future videos, so definitely subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.